Hi everyone, this book is called Growl with the Animals. A wolf's long loud howl rings out across the forest. Wolves live in family groups called packs. They work together to find food. Let's find the wolf. Deep in the woods, the bear cubs climb tree trunks. Bears hibernate in the winter, which means they sleep for a long time. Let's find the bear. Out in the ocean, this strong whale is gliding through the water. Whales have wide, flat tails called flukes. Let's find the whale. Splash! Dolphins leap in and out of the waves as they play. A baby dolphin is called a calf. It likes to stay close to its mommy. Let's find the dolphin. These hyenas are slinking through the long grass. When they're excited, hyenas make a loud, laughing noise. Let's find the hyena. High in the trees, toucans squawk and call to each other. A toucan's big, colorful beak is called a bill. Let's find the toucan. Bounce! Frogs jump quickly between branches in the rainforest. These frogs have brightly colored skin. This warns other animals to stay away. Let's find the frog. This baby gorilla holds tightly to its mother's back while she walks. Gorillas walk using their arms as well as their legs. This is called the knuckle walk. Let's find the gorilla. A hippo and her baby splash into the water to play together. An adult hippo can hold its breath underwater for 5 minutes. Let's find the hippo. The lion and its family stretch out to sleep in the warm sun. The hair around a male lion's face is called a mane. Let's find the lion. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this book. Bye.